Oh, wow.
This is nice.
That's nice. That's huge.
It's a beautiful feel in here, isn't it?
Just feels like grand. And the natural light that's streaming in, I just feels comfortable.
Yeah. So this was also built under the Sustainability Victoria. So Metricon were a part of that partnership. So this one's got a few features.
Yeah. Well, the big thing about this one is its airtightness.
Right,
so it's
okay.
completely airtight, and after they finish building it, they do this test where they get this massive fan at the front door and they suck and blow air and see how airtight it is.
So to check if there's like air leaking.
Yeah, so there was no air leakage on this place at all. Another cool test they did on this one is they actually do an infrared camera test to make sure there's no gaps in the insulation. Like now we're sitting, it's cold outside. Are we cold? We're not cold at all.
But I guess it's a collective of things that are considered in a home like this. The glazing, the insulation.
Well, that's another thing. You pay a lot, not a lot extra, but it's a bit extra on double glazing, which you don't notice, but it's a big factor on keeping the house warm.
Yeah. So there's a few design elements that are important for us to inject into our home, that it's not just about the aesthetics of it, it is also about these added features.
And the comfortability of the home.
Yes.
Like when you're at home, you don't want to be cold, you don't want to be hot, you want to be comfortable.
Yes. Well, that's exactly right.